There are a lot of things that I think people should know about lawyers and how lawyers work that the public just generally doesn't know. That's one of the reasons why I wrote the book, The Shocking Truth About Lawyer Advertising, is to try and shine some light on how lawyers advertise and why they advertise certain ways. And so I want to share some of those secrets with you today. One of them is that the bar exam in Washington State is a general competency exam. In other words, if you pass the bar, you can practice any field of law that you want. So someone can hold themselves out as a criminal defense lawyer or a personal injury lawyer with absolutely no experience in that field of law and without being able to obtain any specific results. Another thing that's important for you to know about lawyer advertising is there are a lot of lawyers who say they are personal injury lawyers who will never, ever go to court on a case. Now, you might say, why is that important? I want my case to settle. And of course you want your case to settle, and most cases do settle. But sometimes insurance companies will draw a line in the sand where they make a low offer. And insurance companies keep track of what lawyers are prepared to go to court for their clients and what lawyers aren't prepared to do that. They have huge databases where they track all the cases that a lawyer has ever had and all the settlements that a lawyer has ever taken. They will know if you hire a lawyer who is not prepared to go to court on your case and who they can bully into a low settlement. So it is important that you hire a lawyer who actually is prepared to go to court on your case and will go to court on your case. Now, another important thing is just because you see a lawyer advertising on TV doesn't mean that that lawyer will actually handle your case. And in fact, there is a large law firm in Seattle that does a lot of TV advertising where the lawyer isn't even here. The lawyer is in another state most of the time. So it's important that you, if you're going to hire a lawyer because of their advertisements, that you speak to that lawyer. Make sure you get a feel and an understanding from that lawyer that they're the right lawyer for your case. Finally, the last point I want to make sure I pass along in this video is that all advertising says about a lawyer is that they were able to afford that advertising. So in other words, whether it's a TV ad, a radio ad, or a big two-page thing in the yellow pages, the only qualifications for having that large ad or that flashy TV ad is that the lawyer could pay for it. It has nothing to do with how good they are, how hard they'll work, how much they know, and how seriously they'll take your case.